Trinity River Home Site. Welcome to the Lakeside Village community, a restricted Trinity River subdivision that is a wonderful place to call home. This cul-de-sac location sits high on a bluff and offers a seasonal view of the water. If you enjoy outdoor recreation, the community boat ramp offers easy access to both the Trinity River and Lake Livingston. Enjoy boating, fishing, water sports. This location is an easy drive to both the Davy Crockett National Forest and the Sam Houston National Forest. Low HOA dues means this is an affordable place to call home.